Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit keybinds on Discord. So let's go to the user settings, which you can find in the bottom left corner over here. Now let's go to keybinds, and then over here you will find default keybinds. These are the default keybinds that are made by the application, and sadly you cannot change them. So if you're looking for a combination of keys that you want to use, you are probably gonna find them here. However, while we cannot edit default keybinds, we can still create our own keybinds. So for instance, we can press this add a keybind button, and then you will create this option over here where we can assign an action. So let's say I'm gonna choose toggle deafen, and now we can press record keybind in order to press the key or combination of keys that you want to use for the selected action. And after that you are good to go. If you close this these settings and you use the combination of keys, it should work. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.